Hello lovely students, how are you? I am Naila from Dil Learn Azerbaijani. After learning descriptive adjectives, and it's time to learn emotion. Emotions in Azerbaijan. Let's start with our first emotion. It is sad. Sad. Sad means üzgün. 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 For example, I am sad. You say, ben üzgünüm. Ben üzgünüm. Üzgün. Ben üzgünüm. Next word is happy. Happy in Azerbaijani means خوشبخت. 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 I'm happy. You say, ben خوشبختم. Ben خوشبختم. Ben خوشبختم. Ben خوشبختم. Another word. Angry. Angry means asabi. 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 For example, I'm angry. You say, ben asabiyim. Ben asabiyim. Ben asabiyim. Ben asabiyim. I'm not angry now. You see, I'm smiling. But you say, I'm angry. Ben asabiyim. Ben asabiyim. Next one. Fearful. Fearful means korkulu. Korkulu. Okay? Korkulu. For example, this film is fearful. You say, bu film korkuludur. Bu film korkuludur. Korkulu. Korkulu. Bu film korkuludur. Or if you want to say I'm impaired, you say ben korktum. Ben korktum. The film is fearful and I'm impaired. You say bu film korkuludur. Ben korktum. Ben korktum. Next one. Exciting. Exciting. It is heyecanlı. 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 Long word. Heyecanlı. You say heyecanlı. Heyecanlı. Okay? Heyecanlı. Heyecanlı. The film is exciting. Film heyecanlıdır. Film heyecanlıdır. Film heyecanlıdır. And the last word, love. Love. Love means sevgi and sevmek. Sevmek. It is using for two words, like and love. In Azerbaijani means sevmek. Sevmek. For example, if you say I like it or I love it, you say ben bunu sevdim. Ben bunu sevdim. If you say I love you as a person, you say ben seni sevirəm. Ben seni sevirəm. I love you. Ben seni sevirəm. For example, I love you my dear student. I love you. You say ben seni sevirəm əziz tələbəm. Ben seni sevirəm. Ben seni sevirəm. Thank you so much for listening to me. It was the first part of learning emotion. And tomorrow we'll see you next part.